and it's time to make beautiful, savory vegetable soup. Making this soup is all about preparation. So let's get the ingredients prepped before assembly. To start, let's peel and chop the onion. Now let's peel the carrots and chop them into discs about 1/8 of an inch thick. Clean and chop the celery into pieces about 1/8 of an inch thick. Peel and mince the garlic. Clean the peppers and then chop them into uniform pieces about 1/4 to 1/2 inch. Clean and chop the zucchini and squash. Cut them into pieces about 1/4 to 1/2 inches. Clean and peel one large baking potato. Chop this into pieces about 1/4 to 1/2 inch thick. Now let's assemble the soup. In a large pot, add 1 cup of chicken broth and bring that to a boil. Once it's boiling, add the onion, garlic, carrot, celery, and bell peppers. Let this mixture boil until the carrots can be pierced easily with a fork. Stir in the spice blend, the curry, the bay leaves, and the chipotle chili pepper. Let this cook for a minute or two. To this amazing mixture, add the remaining zucchini, squash, potatoes, quinoa, peas, corn, broth. Bring this mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for 30 minutes. This will let all the flavors come together. Hey guys, I'm here with Rena. We're going to taste this curry vegetable soup. It's really good.
Now, if you look at spicy flavors, go for it. I'm not very strong with it, so a lighter version actually works better for me.
That's really good. That is really, it's noticeably less spicy than we're used to, but wow, the vegetable flavors really come out of this now. The quinoa flavor hits you a little bit. It's nice and thick, brothy, good soup for a fall day.
Delicious.
It's so good.
I think it's delicious, and I love how thick it is, and it's like creamy as well. It's like awesome, especially as you said, like you're getting to the fall, and you know you want to stay warm and cozy. This is just perfect, and it's loaded with all kind of good stuff. For
Rena and I want to say thank you for watching. Hope you liked this video. Please like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. And you know what? Leave a comment down below. Tell us what you think. Tell us if you tried this soup. Tell us if you have a variation of a vegetable soup that you might like us to try, or some vegetables we can throw into this bad boy to make it taste even better. So one last time, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. That really does help us out. And for Rena and I want to say good luck, good food, lots of love. We'll see you soon. Bye for now. Let's more soup.